it's Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and today we're here with HeavenPanty. This is a monthly panty subscription. Basically, when you sign up for HeavenPanty, I wrote everything down. You get your first month for free, which is really cool. You'll go on and they'll give you a survey. So you go, you sign up. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions, and it kind of refines your style, and it gets an idea of what kind of underwear you're looking for. All right, so first they're going to ask you if you like thongs or you don't like thongs, or you like a mix of both. Then they're going to ask you what you're going to use how are you going to spend your time in your underwear? Is it for exercise, a special occasion? Are you a mom-to-be, or is it just for everyday wear? Then they're going to ask you about colors. Do you like neutrals? Do you like colors, or do you want to mix? And then they're going to ask you whether you like lace or satin or not. And it'll say like sometimes, always, rarely. They're going to ask you about cotton, sometimes, always, rarely. They're going to ask you about seamless, sometimes, always, rarely. Then you're going to choose your size, which they have extra small through XXXL with the option of plus sizes as well. So that's really cool. Then you can choose whether you want one pair of underwear a month or 2 pairs of underwear a month. One a month for month to month is $9.99. If you do, you can also pay for 3 months, or you can pay for 6 months. If you choose 6 months, they're only $4.99 a month. So 2 a month is $16.99, and then again, it's reduced for longer subscription terms. All right, so that's everything I wrote. We can get in here now. And I love how these come. They're always packaged really cute. All right. They come in little like freshness sealed bags. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, so here it is. You're gonna rip that baby open. Ooh, pretty, pretty. So these are like a purple. I would call this like what color is that? Periwinkle, I guess, right? And I need to update my size because I think I still have them as medium. But they have an MSRP of $12. These are a thong, and they do have a little jeweled kind of clasp in the back. See how they're connected on here? Isn't that cute? I think these are super pretty. I love these. Oh, I love them. They're so pretty. Those are cute. I like those a lot. I love these clips too, by the way. All right. We're going to move on to our second pair. Now, I will link down below to HeavenPanty. I will also link to the full review I do on my blog, so you guys can check that out too. All right, what are these? Ooh, these are pretty too. So this is more like a rose color. Rose, is it rose though? Kind of like a burnt rose. Does that make sense? See, aren't they cute? And then look at so the front panel is just like a lacy with a bow. And then the back though has this cool like string design. I like that. I like that a lot. I think those are super pretty. So those are my 2 underwears from HeavenPanty for this month. If you're interested in checking out my full review, that's going to be down in the description. Also, the link to HeavenPanty as well. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.